What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with the top 5 meme coins that are going to make you rich this crypto bull market 2025. This is 100%, guys, my portfolio right here for meme coins. We're going to go from number 5 to number 1 being the lowest cap coin on this list. So you don't want to miss number 1. We're going to do some like quick TA on each one here, show you guys here the Fibonacci chart, which you guys love, and just give you guys my honest opinion for these meme coins here that are on my list and how they're looking based on the charts. Right. And before we even get on with this, guys, one thing I want to say is you don't want to be attached to these coins. Any coins you guys buy, crypto, don't be attached to them. We learned from last bull market, there was so many people call it, like moon boys and just telling people to hold diamond hands and all these things. And they just held 80% down. So when we get to these price points here, you want to sell, you want to take profits, you want to eventually get out of these coins at the max profit that you possibly can. And this is so important that I even made a course that came out like a week ago called the 8 signals to sell the top. Okay. If you guys are interested, you can check it out. It's the link below. It should be in the description or pinned comment. But the 8 signals to sell the top is basically, I show you the 8 signals that I created myself that will all flash red when we're at the top of the market, ultimately, right? And I show you Fibonacci and all these things. So if you're interested, check it out. It's a pretty good deal in my opinion on wap.com. But let's get started here with the first one. Well, number 5, actually. Number 1 is going to be the lowest cap on this list. So, obviously, number 5 being the higher cap, Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin is one of the top coins here on my list in terms of value. I mean, like, my holdings. And for a good reason. And, to be honest, I wouldn't even consider Dogecoin a meme coin, but I just had to put it here because it's like the father of all meme coins because, number 1, have there any before 2020 or 2019, Dogecoin was literally the only relevant meme coin. After 2020, we seen millions of meme coins being made. It was just like this huge meme coin. I mean, even 2023, there was meme coins just became huge. But before then, Dogecoin's been here since 2013. On top of that, it's a layer 1. What are the meme coins are a layer 1? And it's a proof of work. What are the meme coins are proof of work? So with all that in mind, it's super unique. It's been here for years, surviving the bear markets, and it's looking amazing on the charts. And as you guys know me, I love the charts. If Dogecoin was looking horrible on the charts, it would not be one of my top coins in my portfolio, to just be honest. Okay, but you can see we had a nice rounding out explosion. This time we're much more mature, so we're not just gonna, if this was last bull market, obviously Dogecoin was like way lower cap, you would have exploded right here or here, right? This one we're having a lot of corrections with Bitcoin coming down, so it's going to be much more mature. And you can see right here my Fibonacci, which I do teach in my course. You also get my Fibonacci settings and all that. You can see right there at 165 to 229, and the 618 brings it to like 420, which would be hilarious. That's, most likely we won't hit that, most likely, okay, based on the probability. So super bullish on Dogecoin. Number 5. Let's move on to number 4, which is Shiba Inu. And I know this is gonna piss out a lot of people because people, out of all the meme coins, people are losing the most patience with Shiba Inu just because it hasn't been performing like other meme coins. And this was a big dump here, which we lost that previous low. But on the bright side here on the Fibonacci, we've been holding that 0.78. So this is bullish. Okay, and it's also bullish because you can see right here, look how much resistance we had right here, guys, during the bear market. This was a lot of resistance. So Shiba Inu coming down here and just holding this level is a good sign. Yes, it's down a lot. Yes, it broke its previous low, but it still has everything to recover. Okay, especially if the project can actually like focus and do good things for once, right? With Shibarium and burning, that's the key with Shiba Inu, burning the supply. If they can do that, this coin can go crazy high. So Shiba Inu is one of my top meme coin holdings, probably my second biggest behind Dogecoin. I don't know, we'll see. I gotta recheck it, but Shiba Inu is definitely up there as number 4. Moving to number 3. Now this one's kind of hard to choose because I do have Pepe and Bonk, but I chose Floki. And to be honest right now, I think Floki is a better deal than Bonk and Pepe. I know Bonk, they're still big in my portfolio, don't get me wrong. Bonk and Pepe, super bullish on the charts. But I picked Floki here because Floki doesn't just look amazing on the charts, right? It's kind of like lower cap than Bonk and Pepe. You can see right here, Floki is ranked 78. Bonk is ranked a little bit higher, 54, and Pepe is all the way up here to 25. So Pepe and Bonk are still extremely good. But Floki, I'm a really big fan of Floki because it's looking very healthy here on the charts. This crash here, we actually came down and we touched that 2023 resistance top right there. This is bullish structure, guys. Very bullish structure. And we actually, obviously, we came up here to our previous all-time highs from 2021. Okay, which other meme coin has gone up to 2021 all-time highs? Tell me, right? Yes, we rejected it, but we're bouncing off here from our previous top here in 2023. So I'm super bullish on Floki. And as you guys know, show me the charts and I'll show you the fundamentals. Floki has been, doing fundamentally pretty well. They're also part of the gaming niche as well, So I'm really excited for Floki this bull market, and definitely one of the coins that I'm still buying and adding my bag. Okay, in my bag. So number 4, without, did I say number 4? Yeah, no, yeah, that was number 3. My bad. Number 3. Now number 2. Number 4 was Sheba. Number 2 is gonna be Brett. Brett, because Brett has been recovering nicely. Yes, it dumped a lot. It's its first bull market. This was a big crash here, but it has recovered really nicely. Okay. Yes, it hasn't recovered fully yet, but it's basically recovered, almost 50%. It's showing good signs here that it would continue this uptrend and eventually break its all-time high. I did a Fibonacci here. It's hard to do Fibonacci on newer coins, but we see here some of the targets: 48 cents, right? 63, 65. And I love Brett fundamentally because it's basically the biggest meme coin on base. I think maybe Toshi or which Degen, I think, might be in terms of market cap, they might be higher. I don't think so. I don't know. I gotta check that. But Brett, basically the number 1 meme coin on base, which is a newer chain, which is getting a lot of traction. We're starting to see a lot of money flowing into base, and I think base is gonna be a big one. It's connected with Coinbase, and Coinbase is like the number 1. I mean, Coinbase is literally in the S&P 500 now. So I'm pretty sure base, this bull market, is going to be huge. And with that, the coins on base are going to be huge. And I think Brett is going to be that leader, right? That leader on the base ecosystem for meme coins. And the chart has been looking pretty good. Even though we had a big crash here, it has been recovering nicely. And even if we go here on the weekly, it kind of looks like a V-shaped recovery here, and we're starting to create a nice uptrend, right? You see this is a lot of resistance right there. Once we break that, obviously coming down is very normal because it's heavy resistance. Once we break that, we're off to the races. So definitely check out Brett, and you want to have some coins on base because I think base is going to be huge. Moving on to number 1, the highest meme coin that's on this list is going to be Turbo. Yes, Turbo on Ethereum. And after this video is done, comment below if you guys want me to do a top 5 low cap, like super low cap meme coins, and I'll do that video next. Obviously, these, maybe to you, Turbo might not be super low cap. It's ranked 150 if we look right here on the market cap. Brett's 105, right? And then Turbo's at 150. But look, Turbo's way lower before, right? And I started buying when it was way lower, like in the 300s, 200s around there, and it came up to 150. So if you want me to make a super low cap one, maybe like, it's 300 or 200 down, not 200, like probably 300 down, then let me know. I'll definitely make a video on those meme coins that I'm bullish on that are lower cap. But why Turbo? Why did I pick Turbo here for being a number 1 here? And it's not based like number 1 is my biggest holding or like the best one. It's not based on that. Okay, it's based on it's a lower cap coin. Okay, obviously Doge is my biggest holding, then Sheba, then Floki, going on. But Turbo, number 1, it's super bullish on the chart. A lot of charts out there. This is why you want to be careful on TradingView. You want to use Gate.io on TradingView to look at charts because most of Gate.io's charts are like full. A lot of them start Turbo like right here. And obviously when you look at that, it looks pretty bearish. But Turbo is actually, I mean, look at this. It had a God candle right there, and it's been holding this support level right here, right? It's creating a long-term uptrend. So I'm very bullish on Turbo, and similar to Brett, it has been recovering really nicely. So it had a big dump just like Brett did, but it already recovered 50%, similar to Brett. When you see meme coins do something like this, that shows you that they're strong. There's a lot of buyers, and most likely they're going to fully recover and put in new highs. When you see meme coins dump like this and kind of just stay there, that's showing you that there's not a lot of buyers. You see what I'm saying? So this is good. This is very, very healthy. I like Turbo that it's on ETH. I also like Turbo that it's like the AI meme coin is going to be known as like the meme coin that was made by AI, and it's a toad, right, on ETH. So is it on ETH? It is on ETH, right? I'm pretty sure it's on ETH. Yeah. So, you know, you have Pepe, which has been doing amazing on ETH, and also Turbo. So very bullish, very bullish. And again, the chart speaks for itself. I think this chart, you know, some of the price points here, 0.65 as well as 11 cents. And the 618 brings it to 42 cents, which is very unlikely, but who knows, right? Who knows where it can go up to. But there you guys go, guys. My top 5 meme coins to get rich this crypto bull market. Not financial advice, of course. Do your own research and comment below if you guys want me to do a top 5 super low cap meme coins. And yeah, I'll do it in the next video. Love you guys so much. And check my course if you guys are interested in the 8 signals to sell the top. It will be in the pinned comment. Love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.